To contact TSB Bank, follow this step-by-step guide. First, identify the purpose of your call, whether it is to inquire about account information, report a lost or stolen card, or to discuss a loan or mortgage. Knowing the reason for your call will help you navigate the phone menu more efficiently. Next, locate the TSB Bank contact number, which can be found on the TSB Bank website, mobile app, or on the back of your debit or credit card. The main customer service number for TSB Bank is available to customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once you have the contact number, dial the number and listen to the automated phone menu. The menu will prompt you to select an option that corresponds to the reason for your call. For example, if you need to report a lost or stolen card, select the option for card services. After selecting your option, you may be asked to enter your account information or answer security questions to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to protect your account information. If you are calling about a specific account or issue, have your account details and any relevant information readily available. This will help the customer service representative to assist you more efficiently. When speaking with the customer service representative, clearly explain the reason for your call and provide any necessary information. The representative will do their best to resolve your issue or answer your question. Finally, before ending the call, confirm that your issue has been resolved or that you have received the information you needed. If you need to follow up on an issue or require additional assistance, ask the representative for a reference number or a callback. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily contact TSB Bank and get the help you need. Remember to stay calm and patient when on the phone, and do not hesitate to ask for assistance if you need it.